Welcome, today I am with NOKIA XR20 and I'll show you how you can add or remove widgets from your home screen. So we have to click and hold on the screen and tap on widgets. And right now we got a list of all available widgets. For example, I'm going to apply this digital clock. So you have to click, hold and then drag it for your display. I'm going to put it, for example, here. When you tap on that widget, you will open up that it's linked with this widget. So in this case, it's simple clock application. When you click and hold it and release, you are able to resize the widget. If you want to get rid of that widget, if you want to get rid of that widget or move it further between screens, just click, hold and then drag it like that. And to remove, just drag right here. And that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and of course subscribe.